As a borehole driller, e go good make we show una how we take drill borehole for place wey the soil dey very strong and for place wey get rock. For Lagos, dem dey always do their borehole manually because water full everywhere. But for place like Ogun State, Osun State, Ibadan, eastern part, Abuja, they need an heavy machine to drill borehole there. So I go show you the stage by stage of how they drill borehole in those places that they go deep. I will call deep borehole. We will see how we use the machine to do the water. One thing you need to know is say before you could do borehole for those kind of location, you will first do a survey, and the survey will show you the meter where they go drill before they get the good and quality clean water that will be a deep water. And that survey will cost you some amount of money. You will give the survey to the driller, and the survey will indicate how many meters they are drilling for you, and they will charge you per meter. So they will bring their big equipment that has compressor and drilling machine. That drilling machine still have hammer that you can use to break rock. So they can start drilling from the rock and they will get to where there's water, and they will cast it before putting their pump machine. The process is not that easy, but it's the most safer way to drill borehole, and it is very fast. It can take a day or two before they will finish the work. So I will show you a video that will show you how we start drilling till they get the water, so that you know what to put in mind if you are planning to drill a borehole in this location: Osun State, Ogun State, Ibadan, Akure, places that water are very far. Benin City, there are places there that water are very far, that you cannot use a local way of drilling to get borehole there. So check the video and see what you need to put in mind when you want to drill borehole in such kind of hard soil and rocky soil location.
In case say na Lagos you dey, I wan show you how dem dey take drill borehole water for place wey the soil dey hard, or for place wey rock full, like Ogun State, Osun State, Abuja, and some other place east wey water far well. Na this machine we dey use. If na Lagos, you go see am say na local machine, na local hand drilling na im dey do for Lagos, because na shallow, all Lagos full with water. But they cannot do that one in Osun State where rock dey. So make I show una the machine wey dey take drill our borehole water.